Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stash lighter. First, gather your materials: a disposable lighter, a small screwdriver, pliers, and a strong adhesive. Ensure you have a safe, well-lit workspace. This project is straightforward, but requires careful handling of small parts. We'll transform an ordinary lighter into a clever, discreet storage solution, perfect for tiny items you want to keep hidden. Now, let's begin by disassembling your lighter. Use your pliers to gently pry off the metal wind guard and the top cap. Next, carefully pull out the entire internal mechanism, including the fuel tank and flint wheel. You should be left with just the empty plastic or metal outer shell. Make sure to clean out any residual fuel or debris from inside the shell. With the lighter shell empty, it's time to create your secret compartment. Find a small, rigid tube or container that fits snugly inside the lighter's body. You might use a small plastic vial or a section of a pen casing. Insert this into the shell, ensuring it leaves enough space for the lighter's top to close. Use a strong adhesive to secure your new compartment firmly at the bottom. Finally, let's reassemble your new stash lighter. Carefully place the top cap and metal wind guard back onto the lighter shell, ensuring they fit securely. Check that your newly created compartment opens and closes smoothly and discreetly. If you wish, you can reinsert the original lighter mechanism to maintain its functionality or leave it out for maximum storage space. Enjoy your clever creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.